Hello, and welcome back to Crafty Corner Pro Max. Today, we embark on a journey to transform your home into a haven of serenity and order, all without spending a single penny. In this video, we'll uncover the hidden potential of everyday items, transforming them into ingenious organizational tools. From repurposed jars to clever uses for cardboard boxes, these 8 zero-cost ideas will inspire you to look at your belongings with fresh eyes. So let's begin our journey towards a more organized and joyful home together. Our first organizational hero is often overlooked, hiding in plain sight: the humble glass jar. Gather your empty jars, the ones from jams, sauces, or pickles, and let's give them a new life. Wash them thoroughly, removing any lingering labels. From lentils and rice to nuts and seeds, your pantry will exude an air of organized delight. Don't forget to label each jar clearly. You can handwrite labels or use decorative ones. Let your personality shine through. Use them to organize your fridge, storing chopped veggies or homemade sauces. Imagine opening your fridge to a symphony of order, with everything visible and easily accessible. Next time you're unpacking a delivery, resist the urge to discard those cardboard boxes. Yes, you heard that right. Cardboard boxes are organizational treasures in disguise. Choose sturdy boxes in various sizes and let your inner crafter come alive. Measure the height and width of your drawers, then carefully cut the boxes to fit snugly inside. You can wrap the boxes in colorful paper, paint them with cheerful hues, or even cover them in fabric scraps. As you place these personalized dividers into your drawers, visualize the order they will bring. Socks neatly paired, underwear folded with care, and those miscellaneous items finally finding their designated homes. Use small lids from jars or containers as mini trays within the dividers for smaller items like jewelry or hair accessories. The humble egg carton, often relegated to the recycling bin after its initial purpose is served. But wait, these cartons possess a hidden talent for taming small items, transforming them from sources of clutter into neatly organized collections. Office supplies, craft materials, or even jewelry, each item finding its designated space within the carton's embrace. You can paint them in vibrant colors, cover them in decorative paper, or even label each compartment for ultimate organization. Place your egg carton organizers on shelves in drawers, or even stack them to maximize vertical space. Imagine opening your craft drawer and seeing buttons, beads, and glitter neatly arranged in their designated compartments. Let's embark on a treasure hunt, shall we? Rummage through your pantry and cupboards for those often forgotten heroes' old tins. These vintage gems, once home to cookies, tea, or spices, are eager for a second life as stylish desk organizers. Wash them thoroughly and remove any lingering labels. You can decorate them with paint, washi tape, or even decoupage techniques. Imagine your desk transformed pens and pencils neatly arranged in a tall cookie tin, paper clips and binder clips contained within a charming tea tin. A sense of order descends upon your workspace, inspiring creativity and focus. Look around your home. What do you see? If you're like most people, you have a collection of hangers lurking in your closets. But these humble hangers are far more versatile than we often give them credit for. Attach clothespins or hooks to the hangers, creating a cascading display of organizational delight. Imagine scarves and belts neatly hung, easily accessible and free from wrinkles. Use these transformed hangers to organize accessories inside your closet doors, maximizing every inch of space. Hang measuring spoons and small utensils inside a cabinet door, freeing up valuable drawer space. Before you relegate those empty shoe boxes to the recycling bin, pause for a moment and consider their hidden potential. These sturdy boxes, often discarded without a second thought, are eager for a second life as stylish and functional storage solutions. Stack them in various configurations, creating personalized storage solutions that fit your unique needs. Cover them in colorful paper, fabric scraps, or even wallpaper remnants. Imagine a collection of shoe boxes transformed into a charming bookshelf, each box housing a different genre of books. Or perhaps a tower of shoe boxes in your craft room, each one dedicated to a specific craft supply. As we continue our journey of transforming everyday items into organizational treasures, let's turn our attention to those often overlooked heroes' old towels. Those well-loved towels, perhaps a bit faded or worn, can find new life as luxurious drawer liners. adding a touch of spa-like serenity to your home. Measure the dimensions of your drawers, then carefully cut the towels to fit snugly inside. For drawers housing delicate items like lingerie or jewelry, consider adding an extra layer of cushioning by placing a layer of quilt batting or flannel beneath the towel liner. Imagine opening your drawers to be greeted by the gentle aroma of lavender or chamomile, a subtle reminder of the spa-like serenity you've created within your home. In today's digital age, cables have become as ubiquitous as dust bunnies. But fear not, for we have a secret weapon against cable chaos: the mighty cardboard tube. Wrap them in colorful washi tape, label them clearly, or even decorate them with paint or markers. Imagine opening your drawer of electronics and seeing neatly coiled cables, each one labeled and stored within its designated cardboard tube. Use these cardboard tubes to organize power strips, keeping those bulky cords neatly contained and out of sight. And there you have it. 8 zero-cost home organization ideas that prove that creating a tidy and harmonious living space doesn't require a big budget. With a little creativity and a dash of ingenuity, you can transform everyday items into organizational treasures, bringing order and joy to every corner of your home. If you enjoyed these tips and feel inspired to create a more organized and joyful home, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Crafty Corner Pro Max for more creative inspiration. And be sure to leave a comment below telling us which idea you're most excited to try. Until next time, happy organizing!